How to reset Ring Floodlight Cam. Make sure the Ring Floodlight Cam is connected to power and turned on before starting the reset process. Go near the camera and look at the back or bottom area of the device. Find the small reset button located near the mounting bracket of the camera. Take a small pointed object like a paperclip or pin to press the button easily. Press the reset button gently and hold it firmly without releasing it. Keep holding the button for several seconds while watching the light on the camera. Wait until the LED light on the camera begins to flash. Continue holding the button for a short moment after the light starts flashing. Release the reset button slowly once the flashing light appears clearly. Allow the camera some time to restart and begin the reset process. Watch the device while it clears the old settings and restores factory settings. Wait patiently until the camera finishes rebooting completely. Open the Ring app on your phone to start setting up the camera again. Follow the setup instructions in the app to reconnect the camera to your Wi-Fi network and finish the installation. Thank you for watching.